Krew Security and Surveillance takes the frustration out of installing or modifying fire alarm systems. Our team of experts customize to fit your needs. We also provide all legal, safety, and insurance requirements for new or expanded installations. We go beyond system design by navigating you through the process of permitting, engineering, and successful implementation. And if it adds value to your operations, we have additional unique features. Mass notification software to keep everyone informed. Special hazard systems for early detection of heat, flames, or gas. And system maintenance, testing, and annual inspections. From the basic systems to the big and complex ones, how can Krew get you covered?
Don't wait until your business suffers from a damaging loss before investing in security. Contact us today for a custom-built solution designed to keep your business safe and secure.